Welcome to 941 Tech and our first video. At their annual event earlier this week, Apple announced new iPhone and Apple Watch models with lots of updated accessories. Today we're going to take a look at a few of those, so let's get right into it. We have the MagSafe wallet, which is in the mulberry colour. To go along with that, we've also got the iPhone 15 Pro Max FineWoven case and the winter blue and clay case, both in silicone. Now, just taking a quick look at the packaging. On the FineWoven box, you simply pull to open to get the case out. On the silicone case, we have a tear strip in order to get the packaging open. The case and the wallet together go really well in my opinion. I think the FineWoven wallet is really nice. The leather before it was nice, and whilst the design is the same, I actually prefer this. I always used to like the leather cases. I was always very prone to buying the dark ones because I didn't actually like the patina effect that you saw with Apple's leather cases. So I'm really pleased that this year we've got a new premium variant of a different material, and I'm really pleased with this FineWoven. It feels just as premium to me, and I would certainly recommend this case. So just comparing this year's winter blue for the iPhone 15 Pro Max against last year's spring release for the iPhone 14 Pro, which was Sky, and the year before that we had Blue Fog, which was for the iPhone 13 Pro, and for the iPhone 13 Pro launch we had Storm Blue. So there we have it. That's the Mulberry FineWoven and Winter Blue and Clay silicone cases for the iPhone 15 Pro Max.